We spend a significant amount of time sitting, whether at work, during our commute, or relaxing at home. Prolonged sitting with poor posture can lead to discomfort and back pain. Lumbar support pillows are designed to alleviate this by promoting proper posture, which can reduce strain on the lower back and help maintain an active, pain-free lifestyle. Here goes our curated list of lumbar support pillows that can provide relief and enhance your sitting experience. All product links are provided in the description. Number 9. ComfiLife Lumbar Support Back Pillow. The ComfiLife Lumbar Support Back Pillow is a highly versatile option that offers firm, yet comfortable support for individuals dealing with back pain or discomfort. Made from 100% high-density memory foam, this pillow contours to the shape of your back, providing customized support that helps alleviate pressure on the spine and lower back. The pillow's ergonomic design encourages proper posture, making it ideal for use in a variety of settings, including office chairs, car seats, and home furniture. One of the standout features of the ComfiLife pillow is its breathable 3D mesh cover. Number 8. LOVEHOME Lumbar Support Pillow for Chair and Car. The LOVEHOME Lumbar Support Pillow is designed to provide exceptional lower back support, ideal for those who spend long hours seated, whether at work or during commutes. Crafted from premium memory foam, this pillow contours perfectly to the natural curve of your spine, promoting proper spinal alignment and reducing pressure on the lumbar region. Unlike other cushions that lose their shape over time, the LOVEHOME pillow maintains its firmness and support, ensuring consistent comfort. This lumbar support pillow is equipped with 2 adjustable straps, allowing you to secure it firmly to any chair. Number 7. HoMedics Lumbar Support Pillow. The HoMedics Lumbar Support Pillow is an ergonomic solution designed to provide targeted support and heat therapy to the neck, shoulders, and lower back. Its rectangular shape offers firm, consistent support that helps improve posture and reduce discomfort in key areas of the body, making it an excellent choice for both home and office use. The pillow's most distinctive feature is its customizable heat settings, which allow users to choose from 3 different levels of warmth, providing soothing relief to sore muscles. Number 6. Purple Back Cushion. The Purple Back Cushion stands out for its innovative Gel Flex grid technology, offering a unique combination of support and breathability. Unlike traditional memory foam cushions, the Purple Back Cushion features a grid design that not only supports the back, but also provides a gentle massaging effect, enhancing comfort during extended sitting periods. This design allows for optimal airflow, keeping you cool even during long hours at your desk or in the car. The Gel Flex grid is engineered to adapt to your body's natural curves, offering dynamic support that relieves pressure on the spine and lower back. The cushion structure is both durable and flexible, ensuring it maintains its shape and effectiveness over time. However, the setup process can be a bit challenging due to the grid's unique design, but once in place, the cushion provides consistent comfort. Number 5. Bearaby Bolster Pillow. The Bearaby Bolster Pillow offers a blend of firmness and comfort, making it a suitable option for those who prefer a more structured support system for their lower back. Made from sustainable materials, including natural latex, this bolster pillow is designed to provide firm support without the heat retention often associated with memory foam. Its cylindrical shape is ideal for promoting active posture correction, as it encourages users to engage their core muscles while sitting. The Bearaby Bolster Pillow's compact design makes it easy to move from one seating area to another, whether at home or in the office. Number 4. Cushion Lab Back Relief Lumbar Pillow. The Cushion Lab Back Relief Lumbar Pillow is a comprehensive solution for those seeking to improve their sitting posture and alleviate back pain. Its unique butterfly-shaped design offers support across multiple areas of the back, including the lower and upper regions. This ergonomic shape cradles the sides of the back, providing targeted relief and encouraging proper spinal alignment. Made from extra-dense, proprietary memory foam, this pillow maintains its shape and firmness, ensuring consistent support over time. The Cushion Lab Lumbar Pillow is designed with comfort in mind, featuring a breathable knit cover that allows for airflow and helps regulate temperature during use. The cover is also removable and machine washable, making it easy to keep clean. Although the knit material can feel slightly warm, the overall comfort it provides makes it a minor concern for most users. Number 3. Tempur-Pedic LumbarCushion. The Tempur-Pedic LumbarCushion is ideal for long commutes or extended hours of driving. Its thin, rectangular design adapts well to different chair sizes, making it a versatile option for lumbar support. Its medium firmness level conforms comfortably to your body while encouraging proper sitting posture, which can reduce back discomfort during long drives. One key advantage is the cushion's length, which provides more extended support than traditional pillows. However, it does not come with straps, so it may need occasional readjustment, especially during long trips. While the memory foam material offers excellent comfort, it does tend to trap heat, which could be an issue for some users during prolonged use. Number 2. OPTP, the original McKenzie lumbar roll. The original McKenzie lumbar roll offers a unique cylindrical design that provides excellent spinal alignment support. It's a favorite among physical therapists due to its ergonomic shape, which encourages proper posture. Available in both standard and firm density options, this lumbar roll works well for a variety of users. Its removable cover makes it easy to keep clean, and its affordable price makes it an attractive option for those on a budget. This lumbar roll can be used with or without its adjustable strap, fitting securely on chairs or car seats. Some users appreciate how the roll encourages them to correct their posture naturally as it shifts down when slouching begins. For frequent travelers, there's even an inflatable version that works well on airplanes. Number 1. Everlasting Comfort Lumbar Support Pillow. The Everlasting Comfort Lumbar Support Pillow is a favorite among Amazon shoppers. This pillow, designed with memory foam, provides exceptional lower back support. Its curved shape encourages better posture, reducing neck and back pain during long hours of sitting. The breathable polyester mesh cover allows for better airflow, helping to prevent heat buildup while seated. It's available in 5 colors and can be removed for easy washing. This lumbar pillow fits most office chairs and comes with a strap to secure it in place. However, some users have noticed that it can shift over time, requiring occasional adjustments. Despite this, the memory foam provides a good balance of firmness and comfort, making it ideal for people seeking both support and relaxation. Whether you're working from home or in an office, this lumbar cushion is a great choice to promote better posture and alleviate back discomfort. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.